Does Grae have diabetes? Have you guys absolutely lost your mind? Welcome to our dream house in the province.
So it's still quite shocking to me at the moment.
Early mornings at Manila Terminal 3. We just went through the whole shenanigans with check-in security and all of that. This is one of my least favorite but also favorite times of the day to fly. Least favorite because it is literally 2 o'clock in the morning. We have not slept and it's going to be an hour before the flight boards, and it's going to be a 3-hour flight, so it's going to be super exhausting. But at the same time, it took us 10 minutes to get here from at home, like literally from home to here, 10 minutes, zero traffic, no traffic whatsoever. And the check-in counters, I think there were like 3 people at the check-in counter because we're traveling with hand luggage, so that was very easy. Also, another annoying thing about this flight is almost everything is closed at the airport at this time. Almost. Seattle's worst coffee is open. Okay, I take it back. There is something open. Bluesmith is actually open. That's quite exciting because coffee here is not bad. That's nice to see. Okay, I just received a text message from Cebu Pacific that the boarding gate has been changed to 114. Nice feature, Cebu Pacific. Very simple. Just got a text message. I've never had that before, so that's quite nice. I like to see like some slight technical advancements. I think we have to go down here. Now comes the hard part, the flight, and I always battle like, what should I do? Should I get some work done? Should I try and sleep? I usually don't sleep very well these medium length flights with non-reclining chairs, so it's kind of a battle for me because also I know if I work I'll be really tired once we arrive at the destination, which is not something that I necessarily want, but yeah, I'll make up my mind once we're on the plane. I did want to answer a question that I've been reading a lot in the comment section, that is, does Grae have diabetes? No, she does not have diabetes. Both Grae and I were wearing continuous glucose monitors to just kind of keep our blood sugar levels in check. So anyway, we were trying on the glucose monitors for a few weeks just to see how certain foods impact our blood sugar levels, and we learned a lot about our bodies, which is very, very good. And then I think it's best I address a question that will probably come up very, very soon, and that question is, have you guys absolutely lost your mind? We literally just finished a 3-week-long trip around the Philippines with my parents. My parents just left a few days ago to fly back to Austria, and we're jumping on the next trip. And the answer is pretty simple. After this trip, we have a lot of trips lined up. We have a trip to Bicol. We have a trip to Coron, where we're going to be doing an expedition between Coron and El Nido. We have a trip to Baguio planned. So we have so many trips coming up that we needed one special trip that will let us have just a break and a rest. And that is the trip that we are going on right now. We have 10 days of relaxation, of rest, of recovery, and a little bit of vlogging here and there. So if you can guess where we are going to, please do so in the comments right now. And by the end of the vlog, you will know if you were right or you're wrong. What an exhausting day of traveling. We arrived at our final destination, had to take a rest, but we wanted to give you a quick tour of where we are. And I would say welcome to our dream house in the province. Recently, we were in La Union looking at some properties, looking at some potential places to kind of invest and build a house. And right now we are at a villa in Bali that would actually tick off all the points of what we would like to have in a dream house, a dream villa in the Philippines. This is how we would like to build it. A beautiful spot that has a stunning outdoor area, and all the living is kind of surrounded about being in nature, being outdoors, and it is absolutely beautiful.
So beautiful.
So nice, right?
Yeah, this would be how I would want a lot of things in my house to be. Honestly, even the bathroom. You guys haven't seen the bathroom yet. It's crazy.
Stunning. So the way this is built up is we have this house over here, which is 2 stories, 2 bedrooms with 2 baths. That's where everything is, where you sleep, shower, rest, whatever. And then over here, all of this is outdoor area. So this is where you lounge, this is where you have dinner, this is where you cook. And then I think the real pearl of this place is obviously this pool. Everything surrounds this beautiful pool with, I haven't seen anything like this before. This is so nice. It's like a recessed seating area directly next to the pool with kind of a glass here. You have an outdoor shower area and then a second bathroom, a third bathroom actually in there as well. And this kitchen is so nice. I like the black wood. Super beautiful layout. I actually found this place on Airbnb. The name of the place is Hoti Bali. Hoti stands for home. What is Hoti? Your house? No, home on the island. Hoti. We'll link the Instagram down below and also the Airbnb link. We'll put it in the description. It is so nice, so calming, super fast internet. Let me show you the bedroom. Yeah, this is, before we go to the bedroom, this is kind of like an entrance hallway. Then you go to your second bed, and here's the first bedroom. Super nice. As you can tell, we've lived in this already, so it's a bit messy. But yeah, this bathroom, so nice. It's kind of like outdoor / indoor at the same time. As you see up there, it's outdoor already. But yeah, so nice. So beautiful. And yeah, as I said, we actually have been here already a few days. We've gotten to really stay and enjoy this place, indulge, enjoy the pool, enjoy the calmness. And as you can hear, we're in a very quiet area of Bali right now, which makes for a nice place to rest. But actually today we're checking out. We just packed all our things and we're gonna head to another place in Kuta, actually a hotel. We haven't stayed in a hotel in Bali for a very long time. All right, as you can tell, the vacation is over and we are back in Manila. And I think it's time for us to open up about a few things that we haven't spoken about here on the vlog and that a lot of people have been noticing, and maybe we need a little bit more of a dramatic situation. Lights. There you go, much better. Let's talk about the health situation. A lot of you guys have been noticing that Grae and also I have been wearing blood glucose monitors, so-called continuous glucose monitors. And we did that not because Grae has diabetes. I also do not have diabetes, but one would expect with the amount of foods and sugars that I eat in the Philippines, I would be diabetic, but no. I have not crossed that threshold yet. Actually, my blood sugar levels are very stable. I was quite proud.
Mine, on the other hand, after installing this CGM, we made a discovery that I can easily get high spikes over a short period of time and lowest of lows, mild to serious hypoglycemia over a short course of time, which made us learn more about our body, especially the way we eat and how I move less.
Yeah, but it's more than that. It's, I mean, for one, we wanted to figure out like what is good for us, what is bad for us. But also like for me with this lifestyle of vlogging and making food videos and traveling and so on, it's been difficult to maintain good food habits and maintain healthy weights. Yeah. So I, over the past few weeks, before this vacation obviously, I was trying the carnivore diet, and I literally, all I would eat is just meat all day, every day. And it was actually fantastic. I mean, I felt a lot more energetic. I felt very refreshed. I lost a lot of fat. So I have a specialized scale here at the gym, which is like a professional scale that measures your body fat and your body muscles. And I didn't lose any muscle, didn't gain during that time, but I lost a lot of fat. And yeah, when we were in Bali, I ate pasta for the first time in weeks. And I was just dead for the rest of the day. I could do nothing. I was so exhausted. It just gave me such a shock. But yeah, I think for us it's very important because you do have like diabetes runs in the family, right? So we want to make sure that we both are healthy and we both want to get into a very healthy base state to...
No, I have nothing to add. No, I mean, I have nothing against... What?
Smooth! Look who's getting all shy.
Oh, honestly.
Alright, that's just something we wanted to talk about. Jarvis, that's enough drama. Please, back to normal. Thank you. Jarvis, that's a little bit too bright. There you go. In any case, that's what we wanted to share with you guys, just because there's been so many comments, and earlier on in the vlog I did respond to it, but while I was editing this video I realized the response was just very blunt and very short, like, no, she doesn't have diabetes. It's good. It's a good thing to have, like, those continuous glucose monitors. It's good to see what food does you good and what food does you bad, and
makes you more observant.
Makes you more observant, exactly.
Conscious, and not conscious, but
yeah. Who would have thought that, like, tons and tons of candy would make my blood sugar spike and then drop? Who would have known?
Who would have known Senegal?
There was no way to have anticipated these results. Anyway, that's what we wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.